Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Entire Goa is excited to see the pack Bangladesh and India match for final for SAF for Women Championship. We are honored to host them all SAF Championship. I thank from my entire executive committee member to the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, then Sports Minister of Goa, Ball Federation, SAF President, everyone to giving this opportunity to host SAF Championship Women first time in Goa. We are excited. Only lack of crowd is coming. So I request, humble request, all women's, children's, football lover, do come, enjoy the pack. Like always we talk about India, when cricket comes, India and Pakistan. So this is the same way India, Bangladesh goes for football. So I request to come and support our Indian women's team. You have seen maybe last 3 matches how Nepali they were staying here. They supported their team like 2,000, 3,000 crowd was coming. But as a Indian, we are lacking in that. So as a GFA, we can do the best thing arrangement. How we can organize, but crowd management, crowd should come forward, crowd should come to watch and give them just motivation to win this championship.